Good morning, everyone. Did you know that your breakfast can set the tone for your health and energy throughout the day? Especially for those over 60, choosing the right foods in the morning can make a huge difference in maintaining your vitality, energy, and confidence. You're probably familiar with the changes that come with aging, but here's something most people don't know. Your breakfast might be the culprit behind fatigue, low energy, or even the decline of health below the belt. So, can a simple breakfast help improve all this? Let's find out. Whole eggs, a food you likely already have in your fridge, are one of the best sources of nourishment for circulation. Eggs are rich in vitamin D, B12, choline, and leucine, all of which help repair muscles, especially the pelvic floor muscles that support healthy circulation. Try adding a boiled egg to your breakfast every morning, and you'll be amazed at the difference in just a few weeks. Oats are not only easy to make, but they're also packed with beta-glucan, a fiber that helps lower cholesterol and cleanse your blood vessels. When paired with chia seeds, rich in omega-3s, magnesium, and potassium, you're giving your blood vessels the support they need to improve circulation. This combination helps promote healthy blood flow, especially for your intimate health. Watermelon is one of nature's hidden gems. It contains citrulline, an amino acid that turns into arginine in your body, boosting nitric oxide, the compound that helps improve blood flow, much like popular ED medications, but naturally. To get the most out of watermelon, try eating it on an empty stomach, including the white rind, which has the highest concentration of citrulline. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates that provide steady energy without spiking your blood sugar. Paired with Celtic salt, which is rich in over 80 essential minerals, it helps support circulation, muscle contractions, and nerve function. Adding just half a steamed sweet potato with a pinch of Celtic salt to your breakfast can make a huge difference in how you feel throughout the day. So, don't wait any longer. Start adding these foods to your breakfast routine every day and feel the difference in just a few days. By improving circulation, energy, and vitality, you can feel better and more confident naturally. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and share it with your friends and family so they can start their day off right too. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, more energetic you.